Surprising health benefits of popular teas. Green, black, herbal tea and more. Green tea is healthy, we all know that, but did you know that oolong tea can help with fat metabolism, or that hibiscus tea may lower blood pressure better than some meds? In this video, we're diving into the science-backed health benefits of different types of tea, including some surprising and lesser-known facts that go way beyond just antioxidants. So grab your favorite cup, and let's sip our way to better health. Let's start with the classic, green tea. It's packed with EGCG, which is a powerful antioxidant that's been shown to improve brain function, protect neurons from damage in Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases, reduce the risk of heart disease, and support fat burning. Lesser-known fact, green tea may support dental health. Its natural catechins can inhibit bacteria, which cause plaque and cavities. Black tea, heart and gut hero. Black tea is more oxidized than green, but still packed with polyphenols. Science says it can improve blood vessel function, reduce bad LDL cholesterol, lower blood pressure slightly, and even support a healthy gut microbiome by feeding good gut bacteria. Bonus benefit: the flavonoids in black tea may also reduce cortisol, your main stress hormone. Hibiscus tea, nature's blood pressure tonic. This bright red tea doesn't just look pretty. Hibiscus tea is a powerhouse for cardiovascular health. Studies show hibiscus tea can lower systolic blood pressure by up to 7 points, reduce LDL cholesterol, act as a natural diuretic, and even support liver health. Here's a lesser-known fact. Hibiscus contains anthocyanins, the same pigment compounds found in blueberries, which may help fight inflammation and metabolic syndrome. Oolong tea, the metabolism booster. Oolong tea is like the middle child between green and black tea, partially oxidized, but incredibly powerful. Research shows it can improve focus and mental alertness due to the theanine and caffeine combo. Increase fat oxidation and energy expenditure. Support blood sugar regulation in type 2 diabetics. Surprising benefit? Drinking oolong before bedtime may increase nighttime fat burning, even more than green tea in some studies. Pu-erh tea, gut detox powerhouse. Pu-erh tea is a fermented tea from China that's often overlooked, but it's loaded with microbial compounds that may benefit digestion and detoxification. Studies suggest it can reduce triglyceride levels, improve gut health due to microbial fermentation, help break down dietary fat more efficiently, and possibly support liver detox pathways. Lesser-known fact, Pu-erh may suppress weight gain by altering the gut microbiota in ways similar to probiotics. Chamomile tea, the natural sedative. Chamomile isn't just for calming nerves, it's actually one of the most clinically studied herbal teas. Science shows it can promote better sleep by increasing GABA activity in the brain, ease anxiety, soothe digestive issues like bloating and cramps, and reduce menstrual pain. Bonus tip: chamomile may also support skin health when consumed regularly, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Peppermint tea, digestive MVP. Peppermint tea is a natural remedy for IBS symptoms, gas, bloating, cramps, muscle spasms in the GI tract, headaches and tension. The menthol in peppermint has antispasmodic properties, which can relax the muscles in your digestive tract. Lesser-known fact, peppermint tea may also improve mental clarity and alertness, even without caffeine. Tea isn't just a cozy drink, it's an ancient remedy backed by modern science. Whether you're sipping green tea for brain health, hibiscus for blood pressure, or oolong for fat burning, every type offers something unique. Which tea do you drink most, and which one surprised you today? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, give it a like, share it with a tea lover, and subscribe for more science-based wellness tips you can trust. Thanks for watching.